loves, welcome back to my channel. For today we are going to do a vlog. If you're new here, go press that subscribe button, like and comment, and if you are returning, just comment and like. Sis, you know the vibes, you know how we get down over here. So I just installed this curly wig myself, so just bear with me. You know, I'm learning still. Don't do that. But I just did my makeup. I'm about to go pick up some stuff that I gotta take a picture for, and all the personal stuff, and I'm gonna take y'all with me today. So I just wanted to come out here and show you guys something that I have gotten from Prettyluxurioushair. It is a spray bottle. It looks like a bottle of Moet, right? When I got this, I was like, what? I got a bottle of Moet, but no. It is a spray bottle, and it comes in this cute packaging, and y'all know I love pink, so it's just like perfect for me. So this is the spray bottle. I love it. So cute. It holds 280 milliliters of water, so perfect. And I just keep spraying my hair because I like my curls to look juicy, and I mix this with Design Essentials leave-in conditioner because y'all know some products I use Design Essential, period. And it's good on, you know, curly wigs too. You can use that on your natural hair, curly wigs, everything. So I just wanted to come up here and show y'all my cute bottle. I'm gonna tag her website at the bottom of my description link. This is her business card right here. Right here, Prettyluxurioushair. You can follow her. You can follow her on Instagram at pretty_luxurious_hair. And she has a website. It's www.luxuriousprettyhair.com. She sells bundles and everything, so go check that out. So right now I'm just about to get ready to go. I need to get my nails done. I need to cut them down, y'all. It's just I'm going through some shit today. So I'm just about to go take my pictures, do what I gotta do today. I'm gonna take y'all with me, and of course I have on my boy baits, period. Go get it. Look, I'm sponsoring Matt today too. But yes, y'all gonna come with me today. I'm excited, and let's go. So I just left from handling my business, and I went to the Rolex store up here because I'm trying to give me a Rolex for my birthday. That's the gift that I want. But the guy was like, they are like all out of stock. Like the production facility shut down, like a whole bunch of stuff. So I'm gonna just have to just wait a second to get it. But it's this bracelet off of Louis Vuitton that I've been wanting, a LV bracelet. And they are sold out online. So I called my local, well, my closest LV store to me, which is in Birmingham, and they had one left. So I told her to put it on hold for me, and I'm on the way to get it. So I gotta go home and get my dog, and then we're gonna go get my bracelet. And this is Gucci purse that I want, that I'm gonna see do they have it. And this Bond No. 9 perfume that I want. So I'm just about to go spin a bag today, basically. I'm trying to spin a bag. I deserve it. Like I said, after my fast, I was just gonna, you know, just but yeah, I'm about to go spin a bag on myself today. I wish a nigga was, but
I know you fucking lying.
I wish a nigga would spin a bag on me. But every design I got, except a few things I have brought, well, shit, except one thing. Every designer I own, except one thing, I have brought myself on my own. Like if I want it, I go get it. Like just like the bracelet, I woke up this morning saying I want to spin a bag on myself. So you know what the fuck I'm going to do? Is spin a bag on myself. I wake up and do what the fuck I want to do when I want to do it, period. And that's just how it is. But anyways, yes, I'm on the way to get my dog, and we about to go spin a bag in Saks in Birmingham. So I'll update y'all when I get there, and let's go spin a bag. I don't work jobs, bitch. I am a job. I'm just playing. I'm a whole engineer out here, still spinning a bag.
What am I missing? Always taking up.
I'm back with. Wait, no, I already started this vlog. Oh my god, but I guess it's tagging into my head. So I just came back from getting my hair done. You know, can't nobody do it like Jessica can. I decided to get a short blunt vibe, and baby girl, oh, it looks so good. And you know, I got my girl boss shirt today, period. But I gotta leave out today. Don't say I'm so. Ignore that towel. I just got the shower. That is my blanket. Ignore all that. But yes, I'm just sitting here now. I'm working from home until 1 p.m. I have to go into work at 1 to 7, and I'm just so tired. And I leave tomorrow. Going to Mobile. So, yep, that's what I'm doing today. Today is Wednesday. My hair appointment is at 7:30. I'm just so sleepy right now. I'm tired. The queen needs a rest. She ain't gonna let me be great. Get out of my face. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna have to go because she wants attention. My girl going through some shit today. Anyway, good morning. Today is July 24th. It's Friday, and I am in Mobile because the turn up starts today. I'm so excited. So I came out here because today is my stepmom's birthday. So we're going to go to dinner tonight, and tomorrow is the big party, and I'm so excited. You excited?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
So right now, I forgot to bring me some shoes to wear to the dinner tonight. So I'm about to go to the mall and buy some. What else? I gotta get my eyebrows waxed. And yes, I'm in Mobile with it. I'm always in Mobile. Like every time I vlog, I'm in Mobile now for some reason. I don't really come home this much, but since COVID, like, I don't know. I come home a lot because I feel safe down here, and I don't know. I'm not saying Mobile is like this. They ain't got no cases, but I'm like around my family. I can still be around people, interact, because I'm not going out to the clubs and stuff. But yes, I'm so excited. I'm gonna be so cute. I get my makeup done tomorrow. I'm doing my makeup today because yeah, we're just going to dinner. So, but guess who forgot their makeup brushes? But run their makeup, but forgot their makeup brushes. My dumb ass. So I gotta buy some makeup brushes too. So brows, shoes, makeup brushes, and yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna take y'all with me today. Yeah, because that's probably loud. I'm gonna take y'all with me today, and let's go.
What am I missing? Always taking up.
So I just got done doing my makeup, and I hate doing my makeup, y'all. Like, it looks so trash, but it is what it is. What was I about to say? I just hate my makeup so bad. Oh, I hate it. I hate it so much. But I wanted to go ahead and do an unboxing with y'all to show y'all what I got. My little luxury, like a mini luxury haul. So we're gonna start. I got two things here. Y'all remember I went to Louis Vuitton last weekend to pick up my stuff, so I'm gonna show y'all. So I got a Louis Vuitton bracelet, maybe if I turn it right, and I got a Gucci purse. So let me show y'all what I got. So we're gonna open up the bracelet together, and I don't know why, but I love going in the store shopping because that's just how your bows cuter to me when you're in the store. But I took my bow off, and it comes, all their stuff come in like little statues, like everything, literally your purse, your belt, and your wallet, everything you get. So I just got a cute little Louis Vuitton bracelet. Yes, this was $300, but I like it so much. I like it so much. So I'm about to put it on. Let's see. just snapped it. It's just so cute and simple and simplistic. I really like it. It just has like the brown Louis Vuitton on it. I like it so much. So that's what I got from Louis Vuitton. In the description box, I put the name of it because they sold out online. I don't know if they restocked, but they were sold out online, and I'm so grateful that they had it close to me. So next, I got a Gucci purse. This one was $7.95, like 8 something with tax. It's just like a cute little dainty purse that I've been wanting. I've been obsessed with dainty purses. I don't know why, but I can't even open the box. That's what I've been obsessed with. Oh, look at my daddy. We're about to go to dinner. I get my makeup done tomorrow by the MUA, so it look way better than this trash. This looks like trash. But my vibes still cute though. I just hate I gotta leave out. I should have got a closure. It probably would have been more like, you know. I finally got this open. Oh, you know, purses, they all come in like little cute satchels, so when you store them, they can be secure and safe. So this is the cute little bag. It's a little, I know. Yeah, I'm like, don't come on my channel doing all that. I buy what I want. You see how it unfocused when I just got so like, yeah. That's how y'all be looking unfocused in life. But I got this cute little purse and I love it so freaking much. So yeah, I'm going to put on all of these things. And I also got a Kate Spade bracelet, which is not, is Kate Spade considered luxury? I mean, their stuff ain't cheap, but it ain't like expensive, if that makes sense. So I'm about to finish getting ready for dinner. Y'all are gonna go with me. Yeah, let's get this show on the road. Y'all look cute.
They call it the hard one on the body.
On the body, yeah.
It's a medical. Come on.
Y'all go ahead and do it.
I know how to tell that to just be quiet. Okay. This is my first time trying the oyster. But it's not a raw oyster, right?
Nope.
No.
What's on top of it?
You just pick up the whole thing up and just put it in your mouth. There you go. There you go.
Get like you
Do I swallow it or chew it?
chew it.
Go ahead. It's good. Thursday might change your life. Thursday.
Today is July 29th. Today is Wednesday, and I have like these things on my face because my face is trying to break out. I'm currently watching Dana Alessia on YouTube. We had to set up for her party. It was just a lot going on, and I didn't really get to you know, vlog and show y'all what was going on. I go to work at 1 o'clock, and I still have this bob in my head, in which I'm ready for it to come out, but I just flat ironed it. So it looks okay. But yeah, I'm just wanting to come back on here in the vlog. Yesterday I was just feeling really like anxious, full of anxiety, because it's just a lot going on through my head. So y'all know that I have a business, right? Like, I'm an entrepreneur as well, and I just think I'm just in over my head right now because I'm an engineer as well. So it's just like I work a lot and I run my business like solely just me. I'm my marketing person, I'm my finance person, my creative director. Like, I'm everything for my business. And sometimes it can just become overwhelming for me. And I just think I just need to just slow down, get my ducks in a row, and I'm a very organized person, so I'm just like, why do I have so much anxiety? But something is just not. So I'm just gonna revamp myself and just try to just figure out life. I'm also having anxiety because I graduated with my master's last fall. That's my work computer. I graduated with my master's last fall, right? And I took the spring semester off, which I'm kind of glad because the whole COVID thing, I would have just been like, But now I'm trying to, begin my next journey with my education. So I'm thinking just start fresh in 2021, spring of 2021. However, I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. Of course, I got my master's in systems engineering, but it's just like, what the fuck I want to do now? Like, I don't fucking know. I want to continue to pursue my engineering education, but at the same time, like, I always wanted to be a pharmacist. Like, it's just so much. And when I was little, I either wanted to be a pharmacist or a lawyer. And it's just like, ugh. So I'm just trying to figure out my life. And do y'all get like that? Like, so much anxiety, but you really doing what you need to do, but you still got anxiety and like just pressuring yourself to keep going instead of just appreciating what you have right now. Of course, let me rephrase that, because of course I appreciate, and I am very grateful where I am right now. It's a lot of people I know that ain't doing what I'm doing, and keep in mind I'm just 24. Like, ever since I left for college, I haven't stayed with my parents. I brought my own Mercedes last year. Everything is in my name. Everything I have is in my name. Like, so, and also I got my bachelor's and my master's loan free. Like, my school was paid for. Like, I'm just in a great position, and I just have to reflect and be grateful. But let me end the vlog here. I'm vlogging on my phone because I'm just too lazy to go get my camera. Like I said, I'm about to go ahead and edit this video for y'all. This will be up, and right now we are at 255 subscribers. So tell a friend to tell a friend to tell that motherfucker auntie, follow me. Well, subscribe to me. But thanks for watching. And the next one, I'm trying to figure out what I'm on to vlog. Oh, how could I forget? So I'm going to do a big black-owned company haul featuring all black-owned company businesses, all that. So if you are one of those people, please message me on my Instagram, or please email me at wait, that's not an email address. Wait, is it? Hold up. Okay, everything will be down in the description box. Bye.